everyone? My name is Pocket Tech and today I'm going to show you how to create some very awesome thumbnails for my YouTube channel. Now, the title of this is how to make free thumbnails, but there is a bit of a catch and I do apologize. There is other softwares like Pixlr, which I'll leave in the description down below, is another way how you can make it, but this software is absolutely amazing. So I want to show you how you can make unlimited free thumbnails for 10 days. Alright, so this is a new company I came across called Afintiy, and it is a photo editor for Mac. You can get on the Mac App Store for about 40 bucks. I know 40 bucks is a lot, but compared to Photoshop, this will save you probably $200. So now, when you open the Afintiy photo trial, you simply have to put in the page width and height of a regular thumbnail, and you click OK. And you'll get a nice white canvas where you can put anything you want on it. So now these are very similar to the Photoshop tools, and if you guys didn't know, I have been using Photoshop in school because I am taking a computer graphics class. So once I buy the full version of the Afintiy photo trial, I will definitely give a full tutorial. So anyway, if I want to make maybe a black thumbnail, I just paint it. You can dump it, but I just like painting better. So hold on, before I go any further, again, this is not a completely free, but you can have unlimited downloads for 10 days. You can get a 10-day free trial. You can make some pretty awesome thumbnails. So, okay, now it's black. Set that little spot. So once you do black, you can choose a picture. So I'll choose this. It's an apple. It's in my last video. Oops. So just do edit and do paintbrush, and then when you go to selection tool, this is how you can move your apple. So here's the apple right there. Alright, so then you can go to text and type in ultimate apple. Just do that. And you can change the color, the font color, by just highlighting. And you can go, let's do a pink. And then clicking it again, you can change the font to maybe this. We'll do this. So dragging that here, you can click enter, and then you can do that. So tips for making good thumbnails. When you search on Google, you're going to want to search, say if you're looking for an apple, select transparent apple. A transparent background will make sure you don't have that annoying white background, like that white border. See, if you searched this kind of apple, it's free, no background, you can move it without it going over anything. And that's kind of key in making thumbnails. So now, if you want to bring this to the front, you can do arrange, move to front. Then you can put it essentially over the apple and bring the apple here. Make it wider, make it a big fat apple. And click on that. You can align it as you want. And once I do buy the full version of Afintiy, I'll do a full tutorial. But this is how to make unlimited thumbnails for 10 days. Now, if you want to make 10 videos in 10 days, get free thumbnails, this is how you do it. But the key thing is to put in the width and height, which will be in the description. So you can also look for fun things like radials, and you can look for different designs like this kind of design, just to make it fun, make it a little different. But you have to look for the transparency on thumbnails and a nice font. Now the colors aren't great on here, so if I was saying I was doing a video on an ultimate apple or whatever. Shoot. Alright, so I would do probably black on the apple just to go with the background. Then I would remove this because that's not going to help us. Again, now this is a pretty awesome looking thumbnail. Now the key to good thumbnails is vibrant colors, so I particularly wouldn't choose black, so we're just gonna change that to maybe this color. Yes, so back to my making a thumbnail. When you're making a thumbnail, you want nice vibrant colors and some keywords that the viewer will see when they first see the thumbnail, and that's kind of important when you're on YouTube. And I think it's actual like study, like people will click the most vibrant thumbnail they see. And when you make a thumbnail, definitely maximize the space. As you can see, I did stretch this apple out pretty far, so you can really stretch it further if you want. You want to make it fill the page, not just have like a little apple in the middle of the page. Like that doesn't look nice. So if you see my recent thumbnails, I'd say I've done pretty well. And the key is making the font really big, so everyone sees exactly what it is, not too small, so like no one will see it. You want to make it big so people can read it, not like if it's tiny like this. If it's tiny like this, when someone's on a video, no one will be able to read it. But if it's like this, people will be like, oh, what's this video on? An ultimate apple. So those are some tips and tricks on how to make some really good thumbnails, and if you want more tutorials, simply comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.